here on my evening Giro on 7 July 2026 in Berat, Albania. I wondered to myself, can an expat truly ever be alone? I've met people in all the cities that I've visited so far in beautiful Albania. The people, the locals, the other expats were very friendly and welcoming. But it also got me thinking about a couple of articles I read recently. I'll put them in the description below. Regarding other life on this planet. Things like Veronika the cow, an Austrian cow who can scratch her own back. And bumblebees, who display like and dislike over certain tastes. And it got me thinking, do we truly understand as humans what sentience is? And are we giving the other creatures on this planet the benefit of the doubt, like they probably deserve? If you're a vegetarian or vegan, you've probably thought about this question quite often. But for those of us who aren't, it's worth considering. Do animals, do insects, do turtles have feelings? We see a couple of dogs in front of us, and we assume that some animals do and some animals don't. But the fact that we've been domesticating things like cows for, over 10,000 years, and we're just coming to the conclusion now that they can think. What does that say about our perception of life in general? But not only that, if we were visited by an alien race from a different planet tomorrow, our biggest concerns thus far is, would we have the technology to interact with them? But maybe the question is more simple. Would we treat that life as something that's sentient and deserves the same grace and respect and consideration that we believe we deserve? Just a thought. Because there's so many things in the universe we don't really understand, and sentience is just one of them. We can't really even define what life is. We know it when we see it, in most cases. But there's so much to human understanding that we're just not cognizant of and that we don't think about enough. What are your thoughts? Should we give more consideration to other species on this planet? Would that make us better stewards of the earth? Would that make us more reason and compassion to each other? And what about life off Earth? Outside of our solar system even? How should we treat that life if we ever encounter it? Do unto others. It's a simple, universal truth. It's probably something we need to extend to all life. Take care, guys, and have a blessed night.